Hi dear connections, here Aditya Uday Hegde. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and here I am to update you about my daily progress about my embedded system internship and Cohort 2.0 challenge. So basically first we will talk about my internship. So as you know, I have completed the switch case chapter, and I am going through the functions chapter. But function chapter is big, and yesterday I was traveling, so I was not able to complete the chapter. But before the day, I was able to solve some more good amounts of problems on switch cases, which I will upload on my GitHub link, and you can have a look on that. And today I will try to complete the chapter of function and try good number of problems on functions. So first task was that. Second task was about embedded system programming by C and C++ by Michael Barr. So in this chapter, I have completed the evaluator point, real-time tracing, ROM evaluators, and its advantages. How can we connect the target to the host? And another thing is, what is the features of real-time tracings, and setting the how can we set the hard breakpoints to the hardware on event variable. So it was a thing which I was studied in this chapter. So it's till some points are remaining in this chapter, which I try to complete today only, and I will give update about this on next video. And the third thing was which as you know, I'm going under a project which is JSON parser, and it was a good and it was a project in which we have to handle the strings, in which I have completed good amount of video. I am going through a recording session. I am understanding the project, what is the code flow, how the code flows, how the string works, how the JSON parser plays its role, Jasmine parser, which contains parse primitive and parse strings, which are used to allocate the strings and fills the token. So token are that which are made up of an array. So in that I have learned there are unicodes which are under the value, which are way to represent the data and start with u, okay, small u. And parse primitive, I have understand the parse primitive has an value which is lower than 30 between the parser has a value between 32 and 127. If it is lower than 32 and greater than 127, so it will be invalid. So it will be invalid string. So we have to keep in the mind, it is important to put the value under the given limits only. So in this we have used if else, for loop. So it was a good thing, as it is a new thing for me as a fresher. So it's all a new thing. I am trying to understand but I am understanding. I am excited to type myself also. I will give you update about my this project session as I ended. So as I ended, I will update it about my in my next video. Till that I will complete this project. Okay. So this was the embedded system internship and my progress of day 13. So we go ahead with Cohort 2.0 challenge. So basically, as you know, I am going under the project of smart thermostat in this 30 days challenge, creating a project from scratch. So it's getting a good job to brainstorm. It is all, as I tell you, it is a new thing for me, because I never expected, I never I was always interested to know how the project is done from scratch, and this Cohort 2.0 has given me a great platform to understand that. So can I become an industry ready person, and I can be a good in my field and work well and perform well. So it was about the in that session, in the third session, it was all about the sequential diagram review, and another thing it was about HTTP server, how the HTTP server works, how HTTP server, what HTTP strings are used, how the data, how it takes the data and creates the HTTP data. Core C and Core H are used for this server implementation. What are the responsibility of works? How can a user? How can what is the HTTP request? What is the user's role? So it was a good session, and next thing I'm going. Sir has instructed to go under the JSON parser code once again for this project. So I'm going through that only. So it was a good amount of session. So it was for the day. Thank you for watching. Please share, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the video, and be with me in this upcoming 30 days and in this journey of embedded system to get the insights of all my progress of this embedded system journey. And follow me and follow Balemarthy Vamsi Krishna sir on LinkedIn and YouTube. Thank you.